If you spend any time in the kitchen, you know a chef's knife is the single most important tool you can own. The right one can make meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Today, we're counting down our top 5 picks for the best chef's knives of 2025, tested and reviewed by our experts. All the links to these knives are in the description below. Let's jump right in. In 5th place, we have the Middleton-made Echo 8-inch chef knife. Handcrafted by bladesmith Quentin Middleton in South Carolina, this is a true artisan piece that blends beauty and performance. The Dymalox handle, made from dyed birch veneer, not only looks stunning, but also feels smooth yet grippy in the hand. Its forged stainless steel blade has a hybrid profile, meaning it works equally well for rocking chops or straight slicing. Testers praised its lightweight, balance, and the notch at the back of the blade that offers a natural spot for your index finger, improving control during precise cuts. It sailed through everything from dense squash to delicate tomatoes with minimal effort. While blade shape preference is personal, if you value craftsmanship and performance and want to support an independent maker, this is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Misono UX10 chef's knife, crafted in Seki City, Japan, a region with an 800-year blade-making tradition. This Gutio-style hybrid offers exceptional sharpness out of the box, gliding through onions, peppers, and even tough kabocha squash without hesitation. Its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make extended prep work comfortable, while the nickel bolster adds durability and perfect balance. The 70-30 asymmetric bevel provides superior slicing performance, but does require more skill to sharpen correctly. This knife is ideal for experienced home cooks who appreciate fine craftsmanship and are willing to invest both money and care into maintaining their tools. It's a refined precision instrument that rewards proper use. At number 3, you'll find the Mercer Culinary Renaissance Chef's Knife, our budget-friendly standout. For a fraction of the cost of premium models, you get high-carbon steel, full-tang construction, and a handle that feels secure and comfortable in the hand. In testing, it handled tough squash, dense carrots, and leafy greens with ease, and it stayed sharp enough to slice paper cleanly after extended chopping. While it lacks the ultra-fine edge of pricier Japanese knives, it punches far above its weight in performance. The slightly bulkier build makes it less suited for ultra-precise work, and you'll need to sharpen it more often, but for home cooks looking for a reliable, everyday workhorse without overspending, it's hard to beat. Taking the second spot is the Shun Classic 8-inch chef's knife, a hybrid-style blade that's as beautiful as it is functional. Its VG Max high-carbon core is wrapped in 68 layers of Damascus steel, creating a distinctive wavy pattern that adds corrosion resistance and strength. The pocket-wood handle feels comfortable and secure, while the tall blade makes rocking cuts effortless, perfect for mincing herbs or chopping garlic quickly. In our tests, it breezed through onions, tomatoes, and winter squash, retaining a razor-sharp edge throughout. Its upward curving tip, however, isn't ideal for detailed tip work, and the size may be a touch large for smaller hands. Still, if you want a high-performing knife that you'll be proud to display on your counter, the Shun Classic is a top contender. And finally, at number 1, the Mac Professional Hollow Edge 8-inch chef's knife, our best overall chef's knife of 2025. This Japanese-made hybrid combines the durability of Western-style steel with the sharpness of a Japanese edge. Its molybdenum high-carbon steel holds a keen edge, while the hollow edge dimples help prevent food from sticking, making prep faster and cleaner. Lightweight and perfectly balanced, it allows for nimble, controlled movements whether you're slicing paper-thin vegetables or breaking down large cuts of meat. The 50-50 double bevel makes it easier to maintain than asymmetrical Japanese knives, and with proper care, it will last for many years. The trade-off is that it's more prone to rust and chipping than stainless steel, so avoid cutting through bone and keep it dry after use. For most cooks, whether beginners or professionals, this knife strikes the ideal balance of performance, comfort, and value. That wraps up our list of the best chef's knives of 2025. Whether you're upgrading your primary kitchen blade or buying your first high-quality knife, one of these picks will suit your needs and cooking style. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more expert gear reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out and find your perfect fit.